Alright guys, get ready. I'm about to hit you with 5 unbelievable animal facts in 60 seconds. The clock is ticking, so let's go. First up, octopuses. These intelligent creatures have 3 hearts and blue blood. This isn't science fiction, it's an adaptation that helps them thrive in the cold, oxygen-poor depths of the deep sea. But wait, there's more. Ever heard of the immortal jellyfish? That's right, the Turritopsis dohrnii can actually revert back to its youth when stressed, making it biologically immortal. Mind blown yet? Hold on to your hats because the mantis shrimp packs a punch that's as fast as a .22 caliber bullet. This incredible strike can boil water and even crack aquarium glass. Speaking of tough creatures, axolotls are regeneration machines. They can regrow entire limbs, spinal cords, and even damaged parts of their hearts and brains without any scarring. And for our grand finale, sharks have been around for 400 million years. To put that in perspective, that's older than trees, dinosaurs, and even Saturn's rings. From immortal jellyfish to ancient sharks, nature isn't just wild, it's absolutely incredible. And that's 60 seconds of mind-blowing facts. If you learned something new, hit that like button.